This is a cool area out here. So this happened. Turn my head so you can see the Icon Airmada helmet. I went into there's this place. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's called Cycle Gear. Yes, and I went in there to look for a four-season jacket, and I came out with this. I mean, the colors just pop, don't they? They're just so bright. The whole idea is to be seen on the road, right? Anyway, it's a great helmet. It's pretty lightweight. I got the purple face shield. It blocks the sun, you know, okay. It could be a little bit darker. And then if you wear glasses and you're in the sun, or you're looking right into the sun, there's a glare. So when I had my glasses on, my sunglasses on this morning, I could see the outline of my glasses inside my visor. So it kind of gave me a headache. Anyway, it's a great helmet. It's got lots of vents, and I just fell in love with it. I really like it. It's my new addition. And another new addition, I am no longer a GoPro virgin. As you can see, I have the Hero 5 session here. A few people have asked me about that. I'm learning how to use it still. It's my first GoPro, and I splurged and went ahead and got the Hero 7 Black. Yes, I just had to do it. So got that, and I'm learning how to use that as well. I'm not sure. I might put it on the chin part of one of my helmets, one of my multiple helmets. It has such good quality and so many options and so easy to use. I really like it. I finally got the Sena 10C Pro, as you can see here. I love it. It's pretty much the same thing as the other one, except a little bit better quality. And the nice thing is, it's interchangeable with your old, if you have the old 10C, and you can still use your old mounts, both the clamp on and the stick on. And all the wiring, the speakers, the microphones, they can all be used interchangeably. I put a set in my Seduction helmet, and I've got a set in here, and I ordered an extra set to put in the new Bell SRT Modular helmet I got. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen the picture that I posted of the new Bell helmet. It's modular. I love it. So comfortable. It's very quiet and high quality. Yeah, I've gone all out on helmets, haven't I? But yeah, let's see. The other thing that's new, I just replaced the Michelin Pilot Road 4 wheels, or tires, sorry, with new Michelin Pilot Road 5 tires. They are great. Already scrubbed them, and I'm loving them. What else is new? I had my husband drill a couple more holes in this barn door windscreen. You can see right here, those were the previous ones. The new ones allowed me to lower it 2 inches because I was tired of having it right at my eyesight and not being able to lower it any more than it already was. So this just lets me look over it a little bit more comfortably with ease, and the wind protection is still there. What I get is buffeting off of these mirrors because I can feel it on the top of my helmet and on the sides, which I don't like. What else is new? Oh, road work, are you kidding me? Expect delays. Oh, I just had to pick this road. It's just been one thing after the other. At home, the septic tank completely filled up, so we were like, things are backing up. So my husband called a guy, he came out, drained it. I guess it's been 4 years since it's been drained. But that's done. Yay! I was finally able to take a shower again. Prepare to stop. And what else happened? Oh, the computer crashed. So that's been fun. My husband's been spending a lot of time in front of the computer trying to get everything, nice beard, back up and running, and doing an excellent job of it, I must say. And didn't lose any of my Wheels Not Heels stuff. So that's good. So this weekend came and great weather. And I've been wanting to test out my cameras and tell me what you think of the audio. I'm using the wired mic, the little, you know, tiny little dime-size microphone that you stick to the side next to the cheek pad. I think it's pretty good, but let me know what you think. I have the clamp-on mount for this helmet. On my Seduction helmet, I use the stick-on mount, which there's pros and cons to both. The quality is 1080p with 60 frames per second, which I really like. And my GoPro is going to be set for the same, because it's just easier when you're doing editing as well. I hope all of you had fantastic Christmas and New Year's and stayed safe and got to see family and friends. Alright, you guys take care. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, everyone.